Pag may Ate Jasa, ha? Tuturuan natin si Jasa mag-drive. Sabi niya mag-drive pa na tayo. Eto, here we go. Here, come on, get this one. Galing-galing na ni baby. Naman po. Yeah, next na. Come on. Mag-drive daw siya ng utensil. Naghugas po siya ng plato. Grabe, oh. Ang galing-galing naman. Ada. That's what? Flour. You use that when you cook, ano ba? Pork chop, tsaka fried chicken. No, what? Yeah, we put that for how do you call that? Chop suey. Flour. Oh, come on, dry. Galing naman talaga ni Baby Jasa. You wash already the plates. All the plates you wash it. Okay, dry. So I can put it in the cabinet. Oh, paano mo dry yan? Ang galing-galing naman. Ang galing. Dali, huwag ka na mahiya. You're so magaling naman talaga eh. Come here. Dali. Napasaya mo si Mami. Next, drive na tayo. Dali na. Drive. Talaga naman si Joso. Nakakatuwa. Where you? We're live here. Come on, where you? Ano na yan? Time is running na lang. We're going to drive. Natuwa ako Jasa. Grabe, sipag. Grabe, kumain ng isa. Nagwash siya ng dishes. Ang galing talaga ng batang ito. Today is Saturday, walang pasok. Pero sabi ni Jasa, Monday daw pupunta siya sa school. Galing ni Jasa talaga. Kasi nga, holiday off si Ate Hazel today. So, I'm gonna look after Jasa whole day. Today, with Daddy, of course. Ano ba? Kasi nga, we're going to drive again for her if she wants to go drive. Nasaan ka na? Where are you? Oh, Mommy's here waiting for you. Where are you? Galing naman. You're so smart naman. You made Mommy's day. So happy for you. You're so mahilisipag. Just so industrious, no? Dali. We'll dry na lang the plates and the glass. Then we're gonna go drive. Alright? Let's go. Help Mommy dry the plates. Come on, let's go na. Come on. Come on. There, in your bag. Come on. Dry mo the plates. Before we do it, dry it. And let's go drive. Yeah, I love you. You know, I'm so proud of you, Jasa. What did I do? It's in your bag. Jasa's phone is in her bag. Rhea, ano ba? You're not going to dry the plates? No more? Mommy will dry it by herself? You're not gonna help? I cannot do that. Towel stays home. No shouting. You've been nice naman earlier on. Let's go. Enough drying the plates. We're not gonna dry. Okay, come. I'll be the one to dry. Ayaw na ni Jasa mag-dry ng plate. So anyway, Mami na lang. Tapusin ko na to. And then, ayun. Let's go, baba. Ready na. Mommy's ready. Come on. Ready. Where are you? Come on, let's go. Help. I'm almost finished. Let's go. Let's go. Good drive. Come on. Daddy, are you ready? Yeah. Ready to go. Come on. Jasa. Yes, let's go. Let's go now. Where are you? I cannot. You cannot get Mommy's phone. You have your own. Remember? But I promise you can have it at night time. Come here, Baba. Help Mommy. Put aside na this one. put aside na lang the utensils already dry. Come, and let's go. Pagod. Naku. Then let's go. Nagising si Jao sa mga 8:30 na rin. At natulog siya mga 3 a.m. Ooh, super, no? Come on. Come on. I'll say goodbye to live na lang. Yeah, I'll off. But you cannot have it, okay? I'll turn it off. Kasi ayaw ni Jasa na say goodbye, baba. Wave na. Nandito si Jasa. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye. Goodbye na. You cannot keep mommy's phone. Okay po. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wave. Bye-bye po. Sorry. Kasi ayaw na ni Jasa. Akala ko ma-enjoy niyo mag-live. Hindi pala. So, thank you so much po. Sorry. Salamat na lang po sa inyong lahat. See you again. Yeah. You cannot have my phone, baba. Aalis na po kami. In 5 minutes. Ay! What? What do you want? Ay, baba, you cannot bring that one towel. Baba, it stays home. Ay, baba, I just go. If you're like that, you're not going out. Cannot bring that one. Gusto niyo dalhin yung towel, yung malalaking towel. Oh my God, guys, no? Dad is ready now. Ingat po tayo. Start ng araw namin ngayon. Bye-bye. See you again. Thank you very much.